Hi friends, this is Lokesh. Welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. And today I'm going to tell you that a very basic interview question, which is commonly we are facing, right? Interview time. If you are feel like this a good interview way of explanation, or else if you feel this is the satisfiable content, can you make it as a comment? And also if you are getting any new question, you don't know that question answer, then keep post in my YouTube channel in the comment section. Then I will prepare one video and I'll make it, because somebody knows before going to into it, they can able to learn and they can able to achieve that, right? For that, now today a basic question is, what is the main important in the QA in the project? See, there are two ways presented. First session, it is like, imagine there is a client here, client, and now BA and developers. This session is BA. Now here BA, BA is business analyst, and here is dev team, means development team. The client, what is the requirement is presented, BA can analysis the entire, means what all the requirement is presented given, right? The client, based upon that BA can develop the entire documentation, and that documentation dev team, they are going to do the development using the mockups. Based upon the mockups and their documentation, they develop the entire application. And even this developer can do the unit testing. They are doing unit testing, their code whether it is working or not. They will check into the using unit testing, basically a piece of code testing for the development side. We are not going to do that, and is basically unit testing they are going to do for the developers. Okay, but they will test and they will give it to the BA also, they will check, and they are based upon the requirement is present or not. They will feel like, because the BAs are busy and they are not able to test in the proper, means they're fast to test, and they will make it right. In case that application is going to allow, the clients are going to see some functionality which is that client is basic, right? They will raise the defects. See here, dev team to here it will go, and this team to here it will go. Correct. Once the deployment is happen, the cost of defect it will be more. Here, if we are finding any defect, there are defect two ways we can achieve. One is pre-defect and post-defect. Pre-defect means before going to the live, we are going to test the application and we need to give that raise the defects. If you are feel like the QA member, in case in the middle of that QA member will present, right? That QA member can test that entire application, and they will make it whether it is defect free or not. And if you are feeling that is a defect free, then they will give you into the application to the BA for one more time retesting, and the BA team is going to sign off and they're going to do the live. Means we are going to reduce the defects to post. Means after deployment, if you are raising the defect, right, it is a cost. Because why means, once the defect is going right, again they need to redevelop that entire defect, they need to work, and BA need to analysis, our developer need to be check whether the code is having the issue, or the any application flow is missing, or what kind of thing they need to take in the time, right? In the period it will be increased. It will, the defect, if it is closing half day, it is not much cost, one day not. And if it is going beyond that, it is the time taking, again it will go, right? That's why the QA is the more important to be post defects to reduce. Post defects, the count need to be reduced. Pre defect they are going to arise more, and even pre here also there are, if the company think dev team having a separate QA and normal QA team is presented, this is also way to reduce the defect count. Means dev team, when the development is completed, they will give the dev QA member, and that QA member, he will say that it is a defect free the code or not, whether it is developed by the based upon the documentation or mockups or not. The QA team will dev QA team, they will implement it, and based upon that it will go for the QA team. Means again it is reduce the cost of defect. That's why the QA team is a more important to the projects. The key role for the QA team like this. See, imagine there are two teams presented, one is dev and QA, right? Again, if your company is giving for the development person to the QA member separate assignment, then the defects cost will be reduced. If the defect cost is more, then it is again burden of the company, and they will feel like they are not developing the proper way. If we have separate QA member, then again it will reduce the defects count and also cost and time. To reduce the cost and time, the QA member is required in the project to justify the project is the entire project is developed based on the documentation and mockups or not. This is the more important question into the interview ways. If you like this video, please like my video and please subscribe my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to make it as a comment. If you feel like a new questions, that question need to be comment in my YouTube channel. Thank you.